Hello and welcome. If you follow the channel, you know that recently we picked up an E60 M5. If you don't follow the channel, please take the time to subscribe and make sure to hit that thumbs up button. In the review video I did of this car, I mentioned how some changes would be coming to it. First and foremost, the exhaust system. The previous owners had taken out the resonators and the mufflers, and the welds to the job were absolutely terrible. The car was obnoxiously loud and it droned terribly. Just to give you an idea or to remind you of how bad it was and how loud it was, here are some sound clips. The guys at M-Power Motorsports teamed up with Fluid Motor Union out of Naperville, Illinois to develop an exhaust system for this car that not only looks and sounds great, but also has been shown to give some pretty serious gains in horsepower and torque. It sounds absolutely stunning and the car breathes better noticeably. As you can see from these pictures here, somebody who knew exactly what they were doing crafted this exhaust system. It's made out of 304 medical grade stainless steel. The headers have been decatted and there are no right angles in the entire exhaust system to minimize restriction. Now that the exhaust system had been installed on the car, it was time for the fun stuff. Laying down a tune that would unlock this car's potential. Alright, so we're showing 430 horsepower and 330 foot-pound of torque to the wheels with the exhaust system. Mind you, this is an all-original engine that's never been opened with 116,000 miles on it. Time to upload the first tune and see how she does. 25 horsepower and 12 foot-pound of torque. Not bad, but like they say, there's always room for improvement. So let's go ahead and clean it up and try again. It's looking good. All we got to do now is clean it up, upload the final version of the tune, and see how she does. All right, let's take a look at the numbers. In the fourth gear pulls, the car made almost 470 horsepower and 351 foot-pound of torque. It's worth noting, however, that in the fifth gear pulls, the car made close to 474 horsepower and 360 foot-pound of torque, up from 430 horsepower and 330 foot-pound of torque, with a slight bump in the red line as well. So if you're interested in getting the Infinity Design tune on your BMW, or if you have any other M-Car needs, make sure to check out the guys at empowermotorsports.org. The Infinity Design tune and full-length headers are available on their website immediately, and the full exhaust system will be shortly, so make sure to go and check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.